So you are online and you want to buy some Ripple, but you have no idea where to actually buy it. You're Googling, you're looking on YouTube, and every video you actually watch, you leave not knowing what the hell is going on, but you find this video right here, and I'm actually going to break it down to you in a language and show you exactly how simple it is, and we're actually going to buy $1,000 worth of Ripple once we're done. All I ask in return is you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, let me know why are you buying Ripple. So the first thing is you need to download MEXC. MEXC, I have a link in the bio. You can sign up. You can get you some free crypto once you do deposits. They do different promotions all the time. First thing is sign up for that. Now you can do your verification, the KYC verification, or in this video, I'm about to show you how you can buy Ripple without doing it, because I had the website like forever, but I actually never used it personally. So y'all about to learn something on here today. All right, so you're going to sign up. You're going to get to this website. Boom, you Gucci. Now, the next thing you're going to do is go to crypto.com or Coinbase. So if you're not already signed up with Coinbase, go ahead, use the link, get signed up, or you can use crypto.com, which is my favorite. But the difference when you use crypto.com is they're going to give you a 24-hour whitelist. So for example, if you sign up with MEXC today, you're not going to be able to send it on crypto.com today, because they're going to say, yo, this is a new wallet. We're waiting 24 hours. On Coinbase, you actually can do it immediately, and that's what I did on today. So the third thing is buy some USDC. However you want to buy it. If you want to avoid the fees, you do the bank transfer. It's going to take like 3 days, or you can buy it and you can actually spend $38 worth of fees. Yes, I did do $38 worth of fees to give you guys this good content. So that's why I need you guys hit that like button. But we good. We're going to make it back tenfold. And once you bought the USDC on crypto.com or on Coinbase, so the first thing you want to do is click wallets. I think it's going to show something different than what I'm actually seeing. It's going to give you an option of which ones you want. You want USDC. We are taking that money, that $20, $30, whatever it is, and we are clicking deposit, because we're about to deposit some money into here. Now, this is a very, very, very important part. First deposit has been successfully accredited to your account. Thank you guys. You guys are beautiful. Now, this is very, 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 very important. You want to click your network. You cannot mess up right here. You will lose all of your money. You got to click what network to use. I'm using Matic because Matic is going to save you the most money. So gas fees is going to be the least. So you're going to click Matic right here, and this is going to pop up. So the next thing you're doing is going to your Coinbase account, and you're literally going to your USDC. You clicking that button on the top right-hand side to send. Is going to give you like alert, a notification saying, yo, my default was on Ethereum. So if I would have sent this on Ethereum and I click Matic, that $1,000 is gone. So what I usually do is always do a test run. I will send $10. So that's what I did first, literally sent $10 to make sure everything go through. You don't want to lose any money, because people been in my comments saying, Lando, how can I retrieve some money if I sent to the wrong wallet? You don't want to do that. So once you confirm you are sending to the right wallet, send that stuff right on over here. And it's going to take, I think mine took like 5 or 10 minutes. And once it's over here, when you click the overview, it will tell you how much money is in your account. So we got over $1,000. Remember, I did a test run, so I got $7 worth of Ripple right here. So next thing we are doing, and I'll tell you this part later, is clicking markets. Going to markets, and remember, we are doing spot. We're not doing margins, ETF futures. Nope, we're doing spot. And all we're doing is going to XRP, and you're looking for XRP USDC. Now, if you click the wrong thing, because first it's going to give you a bunch of alerts. If you click the wrong thing, you can switch it over here, but you want USDC because this is where your money is at. So now you have the option to do limit, market. That's on you since we are holding it for a while. We're just going to do market. I don't even want to explain how that work. So total, let's do $1,000. That's say $999. Buy XRP. And I just clicked it. Order successfully. that quick. I just bought 1,000 of XRP. And if we go to my wallet and we look down here, now you see I own 2,109 XRP worth over $1,000. It's literally that simple. My next thing is I'm actually going to take this XRP and I'm going to send it to a cold store wallet. But that's a different story. Now you have other options where you can actually buy with like a credit or debit card. But since I'm not KYC verified, it's not going to allow me to do that yet. So if you are verified, you can probably just do it this way. Let's see, USD, bam, click next. But you see it say complete your KYC to proceed with the transaction. So you'll be able to do it that way. But if you're not KYC verified, this is a simple way to do it. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see me send that XRP to a cold store wallet. Since I personally don't use this exchange a lot, I don't want to be caught in a situation where anything go to hell when they lock up all your crypto. I'm going to take that and I'm going to send it to a cold store wallet. If you want to see that, let me know in the comments and I would do a video about that probably within the next few days. So to do a quick recap, first you are downloading Mexc with my link. Then the second thing you're doing is deciding where you're going to buy this USDC. Are you going to do it with crypto.com or are you going to do it with Coinbase? Then you're going to buy it. After you buy it, you're going to send it over to your Mexc USDC wallet. When you do it, you want to choose Polygon. You want to choose Matic. It's going to have the best gas fees. Once you do that, you're going to go to market and you're going to do a spot trade. And just basically think of spot. You're going to buy XRP with the USDC. I know it sounds like a lot. Once you got it in your wallet, you are Gucci. You are good to go. You can start trading or do all type of crazy stuff with it. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I am Lando Success. I will talk to you beautiful people later, and I'm out.